Here's some Frankish Kingdom trivia. Subscribe. Whose reign marked the Carolingian Renaissance? Is it A. Pepin the Short, B. Louis the Pious, C. Charles Martel, or D. Charlemagne? The correct answer is D. Charlemagne. Which battle led to Frankish control of Gaul? Is it A. Battle of Agincourt, B. Battle of Hastings, C. Battle of Waterloo, or D. Battle of Tours? The correct answer is D. Battle of Tours. Which king was known as the Hammer? Is it A. Henry VIII, B. Charles Martel, C. Philip II, or Louis XIV? The correct answer is B. Charles Martel. Who was Charlemagne's father? Is it A. Charles the Bald, B. Pepin the Short, C. Clovis I, or D. Lothair Horse? The correct answer is B. Pepin the Short. What year was Charlemagne crowned emperor? Is it A. 833 AD, B. 750 AD, C. 800 AD, or D. 900 AD? The correct answer is C. 800 AD. Which document formalized the division of the empire in 843? Is it A. Treaty of Paris, B. Treaty of Verdun, C. Peace of Augsburg, or D. Magna Carta? The correct answer is B. Treaty of Verdun. Who succeeded Charlemagne as emperor? Is it A. Philip II, B. Frederick Barbarossa, C. Louis the Pious, or D. Henry IV? The correct answer is C. Louis the Pious. Which event signified the decline of the Carolingian Empire? Is it A. Viking invasions, B. Magna Carta, C. Rise of feudalism, or D. Fall of Rome? The correct answer is A. Viking invasions. What dynasty followed the Carolingians? Is it A. Habsburg dynasty, B. Capetian dynasty, C. Merovingian dynasty, or D. Ottonian dynasty? The correct answer is B. Capetian dynasty. What title was given to the leader of the Franks? Is it A. King, B. Chieftain, C. Duke, or D. Emperor? The correct answer is A. King. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.